10. Carpet cleaning marketing tips. Tip 1. Sweep your competition with a superior carpet cleaning website. The backbone of digital marketing is your carpet cleaning website. It should have a modern, user-friendly design that will make the right first impression on prospective customers. Tip 2. Develop a unique value proposition. Imagine a lead searching for a carpet cleaning service in their area. They find several online, including yours. Why should they choose you instead of your competition? What motivation do you give for them to act now instead of wait? Are you clear about how you solve their problem? An important step in your carpet cleaning marketing strategy is to develop a clear value proposition. It's easy to assume that someone looking up carpet cleaners just knows what they want. But usually they don't, at least not exactly. It's your job to help them make a decision. Likewise, it's your job to give them a clear reason to choose you instead of your competition. What's unique about your offer? How do you save people money and time? Why is your carpet cleaning service superior? You might have a specialty, such as Oriental rug cleaning. You can also use a special offer to distinguish yourself from the competition. Clearly state this information. It should stand out on your homepage. Without a value proposition, you'll get a lot of tire kickers to your site who will make no decision, meaning they don't convert into a lead. Tip 3. Master search marketing. There are two ways people find carpet cleaners. The first is to ask around for recommendations. People ask friends directly and also turn to their social media networks to get recommendations. Word of mouth remains powerful, necessary marketing. Second, people go online and search. Instead of asking a person, they ask Google Home. Okay, Google, who are some affordable carpet cleaners near me? Start by doing some keyword research to discover the keyword phrases you want to target around carpet cleaning searches. You need your carpet cleaning service to show up at the top of the results. There are 3 areas to look at. The first is pay-per-click advertising, PPC. This is how you get to the top spots on search, using the auction systems on Google and Bing. PPC ads give you the most control over ranking and content delivery, but you have to pay to gain top spots. Second, set up and optimize your Google My Business page. This is a free listing that connects to Google Maps. It's the primary way that Google knows where your service area is, so you come up for local searches. Optimize your descriptions with keywords and try to get customer reviews to increase your ranking. Third, do search engine optimization, SEO work on your website. This also gives you free ranking clicks and is a good way to expand the keywords you rank for, so you can get traffic from people doing informational searches. Optimize your main pages for your main target keywords, and then use your blog to expand on various carpet and home care topics. If you do this right, you can find your business ranking in 3 places on P. Tip for remarketing. Online consumers today rarely make snap decisions. There's just too much information to consider online, too many options. Someone will check out your website, tell themselves they'll think about it, and drift off to their Facebook newsfeed. At this point, you need to keep your branding, offer, and incentives in front of this lead. You need to remind them that those carpets still need to be cleaned. This is where remarketing comes in. Remarketing, or retargeting, is an automated type of PPC advertising that serves up ads to people who've previously interacted with your content. The main way to create remarketing audiences is to get people to your website. After they visit, a piece of code attaches to their browser, causing your ads to show up as they surf elsewhere online, including social media platforms like Facebook. In fact, Facebook offers a whole second tier of retargeting ads for people who've engaged with your Facebook content. You've got to get in those touches to close deals. Remarketing lets you scale this so you can keep up with everyone who visits your website or Facebook page. Tip 5. Email marketing. Email marketing is a tried and true way to both nurture leads and retain existing clients. With automated email marketing software, you can create campaigns that are inexpensive and practically run themselves. Create a strategy for capturing leads' emails, then segment campaigns for people in different stages of the buying cycle. Like remarketing, this is a touch point that keeps you top of mind. You can also test different deals to see what gets people to take action. Also, Don't forget to use email for client retention. A quarterly newsletter with some tips on carpet care from your blog is enough to keep people in the loop so they think of you next time they need their carpet cleaned. Periodic emails remind clients that you care. Tip 6: Social media marketing. Today, it's impossible to ignore social media. Web users today spend the majority of their time on sites like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Facebook, in particular, offers an impressive array of advertising tactics. They have an enormous amount of data on users, so you can actually target people who are most likely to hire a carpet cleaner. For example, you can target people based on a life event such as a recent move, or you can target based on interests, such as interior design. As mentioned, you can also retarget people who previously engaged in any way with your Facebook content. You can also run ads that generate the lead right on Facebook itself. This is perfect for capturing emails or getting people to request a quote. Likewise, maintain an active presence on social media. Offer tips on selecting carpets, carpet care products, and home design trends. This isn't direct response advertising, but it is content that spreads and gets your brand in front of more people. Social media marketing can get time-consuming and complex to understand. If you're struggling, hire a social media management service to help you out. Tip 7: Manage your online reputation. Today, there is content that, arguably, has more influence than your website value proposition or online ads. It's what your existing customers say about you in online reviews. For services like carpet cleaning, expect people to check your online reviews and be aware of how influential they are. The bottom line today is that you have to manage your review profiles to make them both authentic and positive. You must monitor the places people leave reviews, including Google My Business, Yelp, Home Advisor, Angie's List, top-rated local, and even Facebook. Just a look at Google Business listings shows how dominant review content is. 8. Create a video commercial. Many smaller contractors and service businesses, like carpet cleaners, overlook the power of video. In fact, video is one of the best investments you can make in your marketing. Video gets your value proposition communicated fast with visual cues. Fast and visual are two things that work well with online audiences. You can embed your video on your homepage, optimize it for search on YouTube, and share it on social media. You can also run it in ads, as well as create shorter bumper video ads to go along with your full commercial. Here is a good example from a flooring contractor. Video also works well for mobile search, saving people from having to read and scroll on their phones. One video can go a long way to helping your online lead generation. Tip 10: Use marketing software. By now, your head may be feeling like it's ready to explode with information overload. Indeed, there is a lot involved with marketing today. Even a small local carpet cleaner is engaged in multi-channel marketing that requires a clear strategy and consistent execution. One thing that will help you manage all of this is a single carpet cleaning world university that brings the data from all your channels into one easy-to-view Facebook group. Join us. CRM software is what makes digital marketing manageable. Without it, you'll spend as much time trying to figure out what's happening as you will executing actual tactics. Pro tip: use House Call Pro CRM services. Tip 10: hire some marketing help. There is something you need to admit to yourself. You're never going to be able to keep up with all the marketing trends, tactics, and strategies, and actually run your carpet cleaning business. It's just not possible. Let the Carpet Cleaning World University assist you.
Even with software, there is a lot to manage and stay on top of. Today, you can hire a marketing service like RLMA Services and easily have your business pay for it in time you'll saved and have revenue generated. At the Carpet Cleaning World University A, we have teams that specialize in the various channels and tactics discussed here. You have one main marketing success manager, but they're backed up by people who know paid ads, design, video, social media, copywriting, and more. AGB Services. That's how we stay on top of this daunting process and how we make it work for you.